Hi there mga kaipunaryo, story time lang po. Bago po ako maging isang best-selling author, bago pa ako gumawa ng mga seminars, TV shows, mentorship, alam nyo ba, I was the guy who's selling toilet paper. Nagdo-door-to-door po ako. Sa init ng araw, walang connection, walang diploma, sa totoo lang, walang naniniwala. So, natatanda ako nung 12 years old ako. Minsan, umuwi ako na talagang walang benta. Tapos, masakit kung ma-reject ka at minsan talaga, yung mga taong pang umaalipusta po sa akin. But you know what? This is what I've realized. I found one good idea, one system, and I use this one idea na ito to overcome rejection. That's number one. To build multiple businesses, to earn 7-digit income per month. And right now, I'm mentoring thousands of people. So, kung ano ba yung system na tutunan ko po, I want to pass on right now the system to you. So, paano po yan mangyayari? So, I'm inviting and shouting out for one private dinner. Pero, limited lang to for just 15 people, face-to-face to. If you are tired already, na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo sa buhay mo, and you are ready for financial breakthrough, I just want to invite you for a private dinner for only 15 people. Book your slot right now. Let's talk. If you are interested, just type dinner in the comment section.